In today's video, I am going to teach you how to search record in Zoho CRM. If you have ever opened Zoho CRM and wondered where a specific lead, contact, or customer record is, this feature is exactly what you need. Search helps you quickly locate the information you are looking for without manually browsing through every module. To begin, go to the top portion of any page in Zoho CRM. Look for the search bar that sits at the top center of your screen. It is marked with a magnifying glass icon, which makes it easy to spot. This is important because the search bar is available from most areas of the application, so you do not have to move around too much to find it. When you are ready, click the search bar once. You should see the cursor appear inside the field, which means you are ready to type your query. Next, type the search query you want to use. Zoho CRM lets you search by different kinds of details depending on what you know. For example, you can search using a person's name. You can also search using an email address if you have that information available. If you are working from a business context, you can search by company name as well. In addition, if you have a phone number, you can enter that too. After you enter the text, press enter. This tells Zoho CRM to run the search and display matching results. Take a moment to let the results load, because the list can take a second to refresh depending on your data and connection. Once the results appear, you will see a set of records that match your search terms. At this stage, you can review the list and choose the record you need. However, if the results look too broad, or if you only want matches from a specific part of your CRM, you can narrow things down. This is where the module filter becomes helpful. Now look to the left-hand sidebar on your screen. This area includes options that let you filter by module. Modules are the different sections of Zoho CRM, such as leads, contacts, or accounts. If you want to narrow your search to specific sections, select the module that matches what you are trying to find. For example, if you are looking for a lead, you would filter to leads. If you are searching for a person you already have as a contact, you can filter to contacts. If you are trying to find a company record, you can filter to accounts. This filtering step matters because it reduces noise in the results and makes it much faster to reach the correct record. After you apply the module filter, pay attention to how the results update. The list should refresh so that it only shows items from the module you selected. This lets you quickly confirm whether the record you want is present, and if it is, view it right away. If you do not see the record you expected, you can go back and adjust your search query and then run the search again, using Enter to update the results. That is the full process. Click the search bar at the top center, enter your search query and press Enter, and then use the left-hand sidebar module filter if you want to narrow down the results. With these steps, you can locate records by common details like names, emails, company names, or phone numbers, and you can focus the search to the exact module you need. That covers everything you need to know.